Hi, welcome to Speaknest Pro English channel. Start speaking English like a pro with Speaknest Pro English channel.
Hi, is this seat free?
Yes, it is. Please sit.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Do you come here often?
Yes, I like this cafe. What about you?
It's my first time here.
Oh, nice. The coffee is really good here.
That sounds great. What are you having?
I'm having a cappuccino.
I think I'll try that too.
What would you like to order?
1 cappuccino, please.
And 1 sandwich.
Sure, I'll be back soon.
So, what do you do?
I'm a teacher. And you?
I work in a company.
Nice meeting you.
Nice meeting you. Now, you can watch the same conversation in advanced English. Hi, is this seat available?
Yes, it is. Please, go ahead.
Thanks, I appreciate it.
Not at all.
Do you come here often?
Quite often, actually. I really enjoy the ambiance here. How about you?
This is my first visit, but I already like the atmosphere.
You picked a good place. Their coffee is excellent.
Good to know. What are you having?
I'm having a cappuccino. It's one of their best.
In that case, I'll go with the same.
May I take your order?
Yes, I'll have a cappuccino, please.
And I'll have a sandwich as well.
Sure, I'll be back soon.
So, what do you do for a living?
I'm a teacher. And you?
I work in a corporate firm.
That sounds interesting.
It keeps me busy, but I enjoy it.
It was a pleasure talking to you.
Likewise, it was great meeting you.
Thank you for watching. For more real-life conversations like this, please like, share and subscribe.